other parties have been issued in the very recent past, you will start to think, what is it that they will throw at us? And so, we are not fools not to have not been thinking in that direction. But obviously, as it has been exposed, within the ambit of the law, even as I'm not a lawyer, apparently by what they have done, they could barely not find anything legitimate to throw at us. And just because they just need to do something. Some people just have to do something. Some people just have to get paid. Some people just have to show that they are working, irrespective of what. That is why they have done what they have done. And even if you are not a lawyer, from elementary moral perspective, you are talking about a matter that the person involved was not involved, as it were. And even if you attempted to register, I'm not talking as just an ordinary man. Even if you attempted to register a political party with victory sign at the time, and you were not registered, you were declined, the lawyers will answer me, does it then mean that subsequently, after then, when you were not registered, that that symbol cannot be used by another person again? Those are the thoughts that, since I'm not a lawyer, that is occurring in my mind. And so what am I saying? By the statement that we have made, which is our official position, we are giving reassurance to all our candidates that the party is firm. Our legal team is strong. From the time that breaking news came, that our lawyers in court mentioned the outcome of the court, from that time till now, our legal team is working. And our legal team is working with assurance that this is an abuse to the judicial system of this country. And we believe that it is not all implementators or practitioners in the judicial system of this country that will allow the fact that what ought not to be obtained, that will diminish their image, will be kept or will be allowed to stand. And remember, the international community and everybody is watching. We know the calls that we have received in and outside of this country. We are pleading that the judicial players should not drag this country more into the mud. And if there are one or two players that want to show otherwise of this country, we expect some good people and serious-minded people to rise up and say that no, this ought not to stand. This is not the standard. And we in NDC still believes that there are characters like that in this country, and there are characters like that in the judiciary that shall uphold the fact that the judiciary is still the last hope of the common man. And so on that note, I want to reassure all our candidates, especially our candidates, and I can see a whole lot of them here, go back home and continue with what you are doing. This is just an attempt to see whether we will shake. There is no shaking, we are stronger. They are campaigning us already. By this, they are just telling Nigerians that we are in existence and we have come to take power democratically. It is a clear sign of victory that is ahead of us. And you know what? Today, as national chairman of this party, I was in INEC yesterday. All through, I spent the whole of my day in INEC yesterday. And today, if not for what I was to go to INEC and pick up our code for uploading our candidates, which is the right of the national chairman and the secretary. And I was to go on that assignment. And incidentally, they just threw this. it has not stopped me from my work. After this press conference, I'm going to INEC to pick up our code.
Yes, sir.
For the uploading of our candidates. So get back home and continue to do what you are doing. We are firm, we are strong. Democracy must stand.
Yes.
There is no amount of intimidation. We have given, and I want to repeat again, we have given Nigerians their hope. The hope of Nigeria by today, and I repeat myself, both for those in government and those in opposition, is Mr. Peter Gregory Obi.
Yes,
that is the only hope for Nigeria. And this platform has given to Nigerians their hope. Go ahead and work democratically. Pick up your PVC. Prepare yourself. Don't allow yourself to be influenced negatively by vote buying. Cast your vote. Defend your vote. Nigeria must be rescued.
Yes.
Nigeria must be saved.
Yes.
They are jittery. They are afraid. And they are cowards. If they are doing well, they will not do what they are doing. Yes. If you are in government and you are doing well, what is your business with another party? Yes. If you think that legitimately, democratically, you are going to win elections, what is your problem with a political party? Go and canvass for vote, appeal to the conscience of the people that you have led in the last couple of years. And if they are satisfied with your performance, it is just their right to give you back the return ticket.
Yes.
But in this case, we know that Nigerians don't have confidence in the government that is ruling us.
Yes. Yes.
And it is in that their failure spirit, they are throwing all these banners, but they have failed woefully. Thank you so much, and God bless us.
Press, the statement is clear and direct. So,
You here. Let me go as well. Cross the ground.